Lightning. I want to introduce you to one of my new friends. This is Stinger.
If I were you, I'd choose my friends more carefully. How's it going?
Oh, the strong silent type, huh? We get it. A little cliched, but we get it, man.
Look out behind you, Lightning. You may not talk much, but Stinger's skills on this track speak loud and clear. Muscle car? More like a steel-brained, worthless bucket of bolts. Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Smile now. Go ahead. But just wait. I still got some surprises for you, including our plans for Radiator Springs.